What's good, YouTube? New Styles Mobile Barber Cuts by Dre. We are in our third week of renovations, and I'm really impressed of how it's going along. We got our stations up and running. We got 2 more in this weekend. I've hooked the ring lights on the boom stands above all the stations, and they are looking good. Looking a lot better than I thought it was going to look. We got 1 more station on the end down here that we got to complete. And we rolling. We also going to switch out all of these raggedy waiting area chairs. We got new chairs coming in, so we got to assemble them. And we got our wallpaper up on this side here. So far it is looking good. If you are in the 757 area, if you are a barber, we are hiring. That's right, we looking for barbers to join our team. We got an energetic team here. Hey, we run a clean shop, a professional shop. If you a licensed barber, or if you a young barber in school working towards getting your license, holla at me, definitely contact me. We keep a nice shop here. You know, we DJs and we barbers, so we like our music, we rock our R&B, we rock our hip hop, but we do keep everything clean down here. We ain't got nobody hanging out front. We in a nice shopping center in the Hampton area, so definitely check me out if you're looking to excel in a thriving shop that's making moves out here. So once again, New Styles Mobile Barber, Cuts by Dre. Also, video DJ Dre remix, because like I said, we barbers and we DJs. We got the studio in the back. We trying to get heavy with the social media. If any of y'all barbers out there is interested in getting down with the social media as well, definitely check us out. I'm really pleased with how the renovations is coming along. And about a couple more weeks, I will show you the finished product. Once again, thank you for checking me out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you let somebody know. And if you're a barber, holla at me. Peace.